How many things in your life are you trying to take control of? How many emotions are you trying to subside? Welcome to another episode of the Morning Mind Tweaks. Do you feel that you want to control situations? You want to control the environment? You want to control people sometimes? Well, it's not about manipulating others or controlling others in that way. You're trying to control the amount of pain, hurt, or humiliation you may go through. And in that process, you are trying to control your environment by trying to really figure out what's the best decision, what's the right path to take. Should I say this? Should I say that? Should I do this or should I do that? That is sort of controlling the space you're in. When we are in that controlling place, a lot of times what happens is we start losing sense of the beauty of life. And when we lose sense of the beauty of life, it is really very hard to live every day trying to figure out how to protect yourself from emotions that you find are bad for you. So I'm going to give you a small affirmation. And it's just really tiny, and it does a lot. It allows you to release the need to control situations to prevent yourself from getting hurt, sad, humiliated, or disrespected. So this affirmation will help you just like deflate and be present and just allow things to happen. You ready for it? I trust the process of life. So whenever you're like contracting and like controlling and I have to protect and I have to do and I have to preserve and I have to be, immediately go into I trust the process of life. And you're gonna notice your body's just gonna chill out and you're gonna be okay with whatever happens. And you're just gonna be one with life. I hope this was helpful for you. Please leave me your comments at the bottom. Tell me how this helped you out, and I'll see you on the next Morning Mind Tweak. Take care. Bye.